Coneflowers, also known as Echinacea, are popular North American perennial flowering plants recognised for their bright, daisy-like blossoms and various advantages. They are favoured by gardeners and wildlife for their appearance, hardiness and ecological benefits. Did you know that coneflowers are not just pretty faces? They're actually very drought tolerant and can survive in the hottest summer sun, making them an ideal choice for a low-maintenance garden. For optimal blooming, coneflowers need full sun, which means at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight every day. They can tolerate some shade, but it may result in fewer flowers. They prefer soil that is consistently moist and drains well, but can adapt to different soil types, such as sandy, rocky and clay. They do not thrive in wet or heavy soil. Adding compost or well-rotted manure can help improve drainage and enrich the soil. Planting is best done in the spring after the risk of frost is gone, or in early fall to allow roots to become established before winter. Coneflowers have bold, daisy-like flowers with a unique cone-shaped centre. Petal colours include traditional purple as well as pink, white, yellow, orange and red shades. They typically grow 2 to 4 feet tall and 1 to 3 feet wide, depending on the type. The leaves are usually lance to oval shaped and dark green. Coneflowers are resilient perennials that return each year in USDA hardiness zones 3 to 9. They generally bloom from midsummer to early fall, offering a vital food source for pollinators when other flowers are less available. In their first growing season, keep the soil consistently moist to help develop a strong root system. After they are established, they are drought tolerant but benefit from deep watering occasionally during dry periods. Coneflowers do not require a lot of fertilizer. Usually, a small amount of compost in the spring is enough. Too much fertilizer can cause weak growth and fewer flowers. In addition to their beauty and wildlife value, coneflowers are also incredibly low maintenance. They require minimal watering, pruning and fertilization, making them perfect for busy gardeners or those new to gardening. Their robust growth and ability to tolerate drought mean you can enjoy their stunning blooms without worrying about constant upkeep. The visual impact of coneflowers in full bloom is truly breathtaking. Their large, showy flowers sway gently in the breeze, creating a dynamic display of colour and texture. As the blooms mature, they provide a striking contrast to the surrounding foliage, adding depth and interest to the garden. As the seasons change, coneflowers continue to provide visual interest, with their seed heads offering a striking architectural element to the garden. Their ability to self-seed and naturalise also means that you can enjoy a continuous display of blooms with minimal effort. This low-maintenance aspect makes coneflowers an attractive option for gardeners looking to create a sustainable landscape. Planting native species like coneflowers helps local wildlife, improves soil, and reduces the need for chemicals. Historically used by Native Americans for various ailments, coneflowers are still used in herbal remedies for potential immune support and to help reduce inflammation. Some research suggests that they may offer other health benefits, though more study is needed. And once established, coneflowers can withstand drought and heat, making them suitable for landscapes where water conservation is important. They're also deer resistant, and deer typically avoid eating these plants. Coneflowers are adaptable and fit well in many garden styles, including perennial borders, wildflower gardens, prairie gardens, cottage gardens, and containers. Their appearance and long blooming season make them a prominent garden feature. In summary, coneflowers are a fantastic choice for sunny gardens, offering a vibrant display of colour, low maintenance requirements, and a haven for pollinators. By incorporating these stunning plants into your landscape, you can create a beautiful, sustainable garden that thrives in full sun and heat. So if you've enjoyed this video, why not subscribe for more content just like it? Thanks for watching. Bye.